Hello, welcome to my Unity Japanese room interior project. Currently what you are viewing is my Unity interior based off of a Japanese interior design. So this is supposed to be a Japanese style interior dining room. So as you can see here, we have some of these cups that have been broken, spilt everywhere. We have various other little designs, floral patterns on these cups, a tea set, another set that goes with this tea set. So we have a plate and we have a ramen bowl. We also have a lovely yet dirty tablecloth. We also have these lovely floral print seat cushions. So when you're sitting on the floor, these will be the cushions you will be sitting on. We look underneath. So if I were to hide this, we have a different table. So I'll just pop over here so you can, oh, there we go. This is the table that is currently sitting under there. And this is what it looks like right now. Cool stuff. Also some places to sit over here. We have another dining table, but this one only sits 2 people. It's a little bit more of a cramped area. Someone's hiding their plate underneath the desk for some reason, underneath the table. But once again, we have the ramen, we have the teacups, and a teapot. This table has definitely seen some wear and use. Both of these tables, honestly, have seen some wear and use. This one's losing its paint, it seems. So quite a nice little touch. The floor, really quickly, is made out of tatami mats. So this tatami material I made in Substance Designer. So it is fully customizable. You can change the color, the stain pattern, how many of these there are. So you can go into all sorts of depths and details with this tatami mat material. Likewise with the cloth here. The cloth was made in Substance Painter. These were made in Substance Painter and Blender using some sculpting. This was made, the actual cloth model was made in Blender using physics simulation with cloth in Blender. Most of these props were actually made in Blender. Lovely. So another material that I wanted to showcase here is this wood flooring material. This is a material that was based off of a main material, which was my wood grain material. And as you can see, there's a lot of wood in this area. So from that one material, I was able to make multiple other materials. So this is one of the many materials. Then this material was applied, and since it's very dynamic and modular, I could reuse it again for these tables. And I applied the same thing with these walls. You can even see here the wood was being used to break up these windows. You can even see through the windows just slightly. Same thing up here. The wood is applied. These are casting a bit of light straight down. We also have this lovely, we have 2 of these actually. 2 of these lanterns, or ceiling fixtures, I like to call them. It also uses the wood material. It currently is in a low resolution texture for Unity for optimization, but there is a high 4K version of the texture available. So on we have these other windows. So I want to have some variation within the windows. And we have these more are very dusty, dirty window, but you can still peer out of them. They also have these little details in them that'll break up the glass to make it look like it was a bit rough. We also have this lovely door. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 doors. What you could do here is you can slightly peer out this glass, but it is very dirty. And you could somewhat peer through this. This is supposed to mimic the paper that you would see with Japanese doors and such. So it just slightly lets you peek through. Once again, reusing my wood material to make some variation and create some new designs. But yes, all these materials that you are seeing, the textures, everything was either made in Substance Designer, Substance Painter, or in Photoshop. All of them were made by me. So the tatami, the wood material, this is an entire material in itself, actually. So this is a modular material that I can modify within Substance Painter or within Unity itself to modify and change the details of this. So I can even change the wood color, if this would look more like glass, if there are scratches on this. I can do a lot of different things, which is nice and convenient. But yes, that's my environment. This is my little Japanese interior. Thank you for watching and take care. Have a blessed day.